The smartest people enjoy psychological facts. If you are as smart as we know you, or you will like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any psychological fact videos, thank you so much. Now let's get to the video. Orgasms can lower a woman's risk of heart disease, stroke, breast cancer, and depression. Peeing after having sex prevents you from catching urinary tract infections. Post-workout is a great time to have sex. Working out releases testosterone in your body and also circulates blood into your genital area. A woman's clitoris contains over 8,000 nerve fibers, nearly twice that of a penis. Men reach their sexual peak at 17 years of age. Having sex at least 3 times a week can make you look 4 to 7 years younger. A woman's sexual drive reaches its peak just before her period. Nearly 10% of all dreams include sex. The average male orgasm lasts 6 seconds, and the average female orgasm lasts 20 seconds after fingers and vibrators. Candles are the phallic objects used most often by females for masturbation. Studies show that 1 out of every 6 Americans aged 14 to 49 has a genital herpes infection. A woman can orgasm in about 4 minutes through masturbation, but it will take her 10 to 20 minutes to orgasm during intercourse. Women suffering from migraines have a higher sex drive. Menstrual cramps have been found to trigger orgasms in 7% of women. A teaspoonful of semen contains about 5 calories. Most women prefer a dark place over a well-lit up place to have sex. Sex is a great, all-natural cure for headaches. 3% of people have no sexual fantasies at all. Chocolate contains phenylethylamine that gives you the same ecstatic feeling people feel when they're sexually aroused by someone. The fear of having, seeing, or thinking about an erection is called a cephalophobia. The impulse to ejaculate comes from the spinal cord. The average vagina is 3 to 4 inches long, but can expand by 200 times when sexually aroused. The world's largest recorded penis belongs to New Yorker Jonna Falcon, whose appendage measures 9.5 inches flaxed and 13.5 inches erect. How long does sex last? Researchers asked 500 couples to press a stopwatch at penetration and then at ejaculation for 1 month. Reported durations range from 33 seconds to 44 minutes. 95% of women get horny when men suck their fingers. Ejaculated sperm survives only for a few hours outside the body, but once it enters a woman's vagina and makes its way up to her cervical mucus, it can live for up to 5 days. Sperm can travel up to 7 inches in an hour's time, a study shows. Using lube makes orgasm 30% easier. The testes increase by 50% in size when a man is aroused. Sex increases your tolerance to pain. Orgasms trigger hormones that help you increase your pain threshold. If you want to level up in your life, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to never miss a single update. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.